I'm Chris Broyles, Commercial Service Manager at JK Mechanical. We have been providing HVAC and other mechanical services for Garden Spot Village for the past 4 years.
I'm Steve Muller, Chief Operating Officer at Garden Spot Village. Garden Spot Village exists so that we can enrich the lives of older adults as an expression of Christ's love. Our value proposition is to provide abundant opportunities to live with purpose in community, and that's what we want to be able to do for folks. What I like about working with JK Mechanical, we have over 1 million square feet of physical space that we manage, 500 and some employees and 1,000 plus residents, and you never want the spots to be too hot, you don't want them to be too cold, and you don't want them to be too drafty. With all those systems in the background, it needs to fade away so that it's not important until it's important. And that worst day in February, you want it to be a warm space. On that hottest day in August, you want it to be cool. And having a partner like JK Mechanical, they bring the talent, they bring the service folks, they bring the effort in the background. The service folks that come out, the new installation stuff that they do, it makes it easier, simpler for us, because now we don't have to have that talent on staff. And then we can get back to doing what we really want to do, which is to enrich the lives of our residents. And nobody has to worry about all those mechanical systems in the background because we have a partner like JK that's doing it for us.
My name is Mattstaltzer. I'm the Director of Facility Services at Garden Spot Village. We really oversee residents' comfort and livelihoods. So having a good relationship with an HVAC company, somebody that we can call on any time of day, any time of night to respond to those needs is critical for us. It's very important to have a good HVAC company because every single person on campus relies on conditioned air, and it's something that's on the front of everybody's mind when it's not working right. The thing we appreciate the most about JK Mechanical is absolutely the partnership that we gain from working with them. They really interact with us as if they're a member of our team and come up with creative solutions alongside of us that help us reach the best end goal. And it's just been invaluable to us at Garden Spot Village.
Thanks, Steve and Matt, for your kind words. JK Mechanical is thankful for our partnership with Garden Spot Village and proud to have a part in helping your residents to live with purpose. If your commercial facility could benefit from our HVAC service, installation, or building automation expertise, give us a call or go to jkmechanical.com. We'd love to hear from you.